In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a design using Canva. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to sign up and it's free. Once you're logged in, let's start by creating a new project with the dimensions of 2080 by 720 pixels. This is a great size for online content and presentations. Now take a look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Text tab. Once there, add a heading to your canvas. You can type in any text you want. This is the text we are going to work with, and even slice later on. Right above your canvas, you'll see a toolbar that lets you change the font style. Click on that to see it to browse through, and choose a font style that suits your theme or purpose. Once selected, you can resize the text by dragging the corner points. This feature is straightforward, allowing you to get the perfect size for your design. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to download your text. Head over to the top right corner and click on the Share button. You will see a download icon. Go ahead and click on that. Make sure to check the option for a transparent background. This ensures your text remains versatile for later use. After confirming the download settings, simply hit the download button. Next up, we will tweak our design further by changing the background. First, remove the text from your canvas. Then look at the floating toolbar at the top and click on the color tool to give your background a fresh look. Choose a color that complements your design goals, something that really makes your text pop. Now, reintroduce the downloaded text into your working area. To enhance your design, make a duplicate of the text by using the shortcut Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This duplicate will act as a layer that we can slice and reorganize. Crop the first version of the text, reposition it, and then do the same with the second iteration. This allows for a more dynamic and visually interesting composition. When you're satisfied, group the sliced text elements, ensuring they stay together as a cohesive unit. To add further detail, head back to the Text tab and add a subheading. Type in whatever you wish to include, and then customize it to your liking. Whether you want to play around with fonts, or maybe change the color for aesthetic reasons, feel free to adjust to your preference. Finally, reposition and resize the subheading to ensure everything looks harmonious, making sure that it's perfectly aligned with the overall design. And that's it! You've created a stylish, eye-catching design using Canva's simple and intuitive tools. I hope this guide was helpful and gives you the confidence to explore more of what Canva has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy design!